good. What's up, man? Huh? I can't see anything. I can't see anything. The line of storms like didn't have tornado in it, but
The sirens are going off.
not with the sirens though.
Oh, look over here.
I can't tell if it's something that's trying to drop or not.
I don't really think it's spinning too much.
I don't see any rotation. What? Yeah, right. No, trust me, I'll be in the house before that happens. But it's going at 40 miles an hour, so the storm's coming real fast. Yeah, it's coming fast.
Last snowstorm that they had, dude, there was like so many clouds like starting to rotate and everything.
Yeah, I know. That's the first time I've heard the sirens since I've been here.
Yeah, same here. That's
Yeah, I know. It's a whole like line of storms that's just heading. The whole line's heading north through us. What's up? No, everything's coming from south. Huh?
Where at?
I don't know.
Shit,
Well, I'm about to get back in the house pretty soon. Though. Huh? No, I don't see a funnel. The sirens aren't on anymore either, but oh wow. Holy crap. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they're talking about this storm. They're talking about this storm at 70-mile-per-hour winds and quarter-size hail. Yeah,
as soon as that hail starts coming up.
Yeah, I'm about to get in. Cause you know, yeah, I'm about to get in because you know, I get in. They're saying about 70, 80-mile-per-hour winds and quarter-size hail. Yeah. Huh? Alright, bye. See ya. Get in the house. Go.